Assalamualaikum guys. So it's our day 10 I think. Day 10 or 9 something like that.
10 days last day.
2 दिन बचे हैं
We
हमारे पास।
have
ये क्या है?
8th day today. So we have planned to go to Waterfall, one
हाँ,
of the beautiful place in Bușteni.
जो
So
हमको 1 घंटा वॉक करना
we
है। अब
have
मैं
to
सोच रहा
walk
हूँ मैं
for
कैसे करूँगा।
an hour and then we'll reach there. I don't know, my English is getting bad day by day because I used to talk to Italians.
But I am increasing.
So Mubashir's English is going to get correct, however my is going to be very bad. However, we will
Stay tuned.
let you know at what milestone we pass and how we enjoy this tour.
Hmm.
So stay tuned with us. Moreover, also let me know that how I'm looking in clean shave.
So this is our first milestone in which we cross the bridge. हाँ माँ भैया,
Huh?
this is our first milestone or not?
Yeah. It's pretty nice to have this bridge on our path.
Wow, what a
Show
scene.
them the clouds kissing the mountains. यार I'm so afraid मेरी इंग्लिश को क्या हो गया है अभी तो 8 दिन गुजरे हैं I literally have destroyed my accent मुझे इधर नाम भी बोलना नहीं आ रहा
So this is the Romanian flag.
अच्छा यार ये देखो ये इनका कोई मिलिट्री का वो मेरे ख्याल से इन्होंने वो बनाया हुआ है
Okay, we're here. Where do we go now?
कर ले we should have a lot of clips प्यार दीवाना होता है
कॉपीराइट लग
मस्ताना
जाएगा।
होता है मेरी आवाज इतनी प्यारी नहीं है कि वो एग्जैक्टली गाने के
अबे लग जाता है, लग जाता है।
तो यार बहुत प्यारा मंजर नहीं है मुबाशिर क्या ख्याल है
हाँ, ऐसे ही
उधर जूम करो
मैं इस
zoom
टाइप के घर फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहा हूँ।
क्या फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे
इस
हो
टाइप के घर।
अच्छा टाइप मैंने समझा पता नहीं क्या फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो अच्छा तो व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग के ये देखो यार ये ऑल दो कश्मीर में भी जो काफी हाइटेड माउंटेन्स हैं बट वहां पर ना इट डजंट हैपन के क्लाउड्स आकर टच कर रहे हो
हाँ,
बट हियर इट्स हैपनिंग मे बी इट्स आल्सो कोल्ड no mio cazzo prego ये देखो यार ये भी कितना प्यारा है गाड़ियां मोस्टली मर्सिडीज हैं इधर होंडाई है ना टोयोटा भी है कुछ ओह नाइस टू सी द मिकी माउस यार मिकी माउस आप भी मिकी माउस कहते हैं उसको
तो हमने ये वाले ग्रासेस रोमानिया से खरीदे। कैसे लग रहे हैं? अच्छे लग रहे हैं।
हाँ बहुत अच्छे लग रहे दिल में यहाँ पर एक शॉप है जिसमें काफी सारे स्टिकर्स पड़े हुए हैं उनमें ये एक इंडियन भी है और बाकी ये बुद्धिज्म का है there are so many more
This depends you travel, and it looks like the real structures you have.
yeah
It's really good. Really good actually.
exactly there are also some of the chains there
ये हम लोग अभी चढ़ाई चढ़ने लग गए। मेरी तो बस हो रही है आहिस्ता आहिस्ता। आगे दिखाओ। अच्छा ये वो नहीं होता तो ऐसी घुमा के दिखाओ, व्यू दिखा दो। चढ़ाई है यार, मेरी तो सांस फूल रही है अभी क्योंकि मुझे इतनी आदत नहीं चढ़ने की।
मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा
सीधा व्यू, बड़ा अच्छा व्यू आ रहा है।
it's a penthouse maybe
Stop.
this is shop there Romanian how my
Avia.
displayed
Show here and show the beer.
Bear. Yeah. It's also so famous for bears, so there are certain types of bears.
So these type of bears
Culture.
are really at here, where we are roaming around.
Bușteni.
We are on the mountains. हम चढ़ाई चढ़ रहे हैं, पसीने आ रहे हैं, सांस फूल रही है, और लेकिन ये जो व्यू है
ये मैं थकने नहीं दे
ये
रहा.
थकने नहीं दे रहा. सही कह रहे हैं. वाओ, व्हाट अ व्यू.
Hotspot on. Oh,
So we are hiking. It's very difficult for us. Oh bhai.
The most random things there are. Damn, Peter Parker, life's been hard for you lately.
So after trekking for more than an hour, here we are within the forest. The trees were pretty tall, like 40-50 feet, and this is the trail that was going towards the top of the mountain. And here are my friends and every other people from different countries. So this tree trunk was pretty thick. You can see from the
there's formal either
video.
it's a hiking or anything else, but still.
Eres una flor marina, andaluza y levantina,
Wow.
que se mueven con el mar. Tienes todas las fragancias de los jardines de España. Ay, Cartagena morena, eres muñeca de sal. That's it.
No, nice.
Thanks. Okay, so each of the lines here represents 1 year lived by a
Ah.
tree.
Hmm.
So as it grows older and older, it gets thicker and thicker. So the thicker the tree, the older it is. So for example, look at that one. Going there.
Yeah. So it may have more than 100 years.
Yeah, 60 or something. Look at all the lines. Can you see them?
Yeah, yeah, I can see them.
Yes.
Guys, it is raining a little bit. Maybe you can't see in the camera, but it is. Ah, it's a bridge there. Hmm.
Be careful, guys.
It's so scary.
Are you scared?
Oh no, I'm not. But
But
it
you
would
feel
be.
too.
It would be.
Oh, come on.
No, it's not for me. It's for Mubashir. Mubashir is not coming. He's very scared here.
I'm not scared.
You are, bro.
You can do it. Come on.
You shoot me. One more, which is going to scare Mubashir.
Don't Washir.
Oh.
Come on, Washir.
Come on.
Washir.
So finally we did it. Ah, ah. Finally we have reached there. Woo! Yeah! So where we wanna come, it's here. After the 1.5 hours of trek, the view was mesmerizing, really amazing. We are going back to our home to have some dinner.
Because of something on, or just because you scream?
Oh!
Keep doing.
No sopranos.
Yes. We should. Yes. Tonight, are we?
So this is the view, a very beautiful view of cliffs, and we call this cliff.
Hmm.
Yeah, cliffs. So the trees, the mountains, the greenery, you can see.
And you can also see me. I'm also so beautiful. Wait, it's very beautiful. The rainbow we can see on the sky.
So now I am winding this video, and you can see the beautiful houses. And after going to the peak of mountain, we have found the waterfall. Now we are going towards our home, sweet home. Bye, see you later.